Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to claim the child and dependent care credits on Turbotax in 2025. Alright, this is going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste too much time on this one, so let's just jump straight into it. Now, the first thing you're going to need to do is to gather necessary documents. So go ahead and collect your child and dependent care receipts and records, including, the care provider's name, address, and tax identification number. Now, once you have all those, step 2 is going to be to log into Turbotax. So go on and sign into your Turbotax account on Turbotax website. Now, once you're logged into your account, you're just going to select the tax year that you want to claim the child and dependent care credit for. Next step is going to be to select the child and dependent care credit. So select that as your tax credit, and then you're going to select start to begin claiming the credit. Next, you're going to need to enter your child and dependent care information, including the care provider's information, as well as the amount of care expenses paid. Once that's done, you're going to calculate your child and dependent care credits based on your care expenses and income. And once you have that, be sure to review it just to make sure everything is accurate. And if it is, go ahead and submit it to the IRS, and they're going to take care of the rest. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to claim the child and dependent care credit on Turbotax in 2025. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.